For the past 2 years, I have not uploaded a single video in YouTube in my channel. So due to that, a lot of comments have been smashed in my inbox. So I'm literally crazy right now. And my Hathway videos, the internet connection videos, have been up to the top level. I mean, it's more than like 10k to 14k views right now. So I thought I could continue one of my videos right now I'm shooting now. So to do a Hathway video. So let's start without wasting your time in this video. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Rais Ahmed from Corotech. So today we are going to see the Hathway app condition in 2023. So I have also put a couple of videos in Hathway rating all. You can check the playlist and also in the iCards, everything description down below. So let me just grab my phone right away and show you all the thing with screen recording here or there. I'll just put that thing in the video. So let me just go to screen recording right away for you guys. Okay. So this is the Hathway application you can see, and all these are basic conditions where for the past years they have been using this same interface. But one thing I would like to show you is that the data usage is right there, the second part, and here you can see how much data we're using. So it's literally right away crazy thing which was not there in the Hathway previous versions. So apart from that, let me just show you my plan, what I'm using right now. So you can see it's a 7144 plan rupees in Indian rupee. This is the plan I'm using for a couple of years, in all my previous videos. So literally, if you're a returning subscriber, you know all that kind of thing. If you're new here, don't need to worry, just smash the subscribe button if you wish. And you can see this plan is a half yearly plan. Just me go to view plan info. You can see it's my half yearly plan, it's written there. And this plan is a very outdated plan. I got like a bonus kind of thing, but this plan comes for additionally 2 months free version. So it's kind of like 6 plus 2, totally 8 months free. So I'm just using the 8-month plan, so it's not there nowadays. So I just renew it again and again to get the benefits and so on. So let me just show you the plans present in the Hathway application. There are only literally 4 plans right now. You can just select from those plans only right now, and those plans are, just like explain it now, don't need to confuse with the annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly. All are the same thing, which a different version, like they change a pay term, like some will have put a complete 3-month plan and some will have 6-month, 12 months plan. So don't need to confuse with this, but the main 4 plans are here. So the first one is unlimited, that all are unlimited, so don't need to worry about that thing. First one is 200 mbps plan, which is literally very costly. If you check for a single monthly plan, it comes on 850 plus GST. So if you take for 18% GST, it comes around like 200 to 200. So literally it comes literally like 1000 rupees overall. So the second plan and the third plan are literally the same plans, but the difference is one plan has a dual band, another has a hybrid plan, which you can see here. So based upon your kind of thing, you can just select a plan which you need, and you can see that only the quarterly, semi-annual and the annual has the 40 mbps plan. So it is a kind of marketing strategy. So if you are opting for a single month plan, you cannot get that. So I just want to explain the app facilities here, and apart from that, there's also a speed test feature in the app which will not work a lot of time. And if you want to give a request in the application, it will not take a human request generally. It will just take a AI bot or some kind of thing. Through that, it will automatically resolve the problem. Sometimes it doesn't resolve, so you need to call them and then access, and then you have to do all the sort of things which you all normally do with other providers and other such kind of thing. So that's all in this video. I hope you just got a literal idea about this application. It's not that much good level applications. The UI is normal, simple. You can also renew through all the kind of applications, just normal application. So that's all about this video. So, and if you want to upgrade or you want to get a Hathway connection, new connection, you can get it for absolutely not free. You can just get it. And the one thing I would like to recommend in my side is that Hathway connection is really a good connection. It doesn't have any flaws. Apparently the customer service is not that much good comparatively. I'll put a separate video on that later on if you want. Otherwise, I'll not put that video because I don't have a time right now. So sorry for again all the kind of thing. So see you next video. This is Raisan for Agora Tech. Bye bye.